bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Crawford County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Crawford County and northwest Pennsylvania, southeastern Erie County and northwest Pennsylvania until 1 a.m. At 12:30 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Corey and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Union City, Spartansburg, and Corey. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Weather message.